Welcome to our latest generation of UHF RFID modules, powered by the advanced Impinj EX10 chip. With an exceptional multi-tag algorithm and superior stability, our modules deliver outstanding performance across various applications. These compact modules share the same design, size, and mounting holes for full compatibility. Built on different chip platforms, they offer high sensitivity, long read range, and low power consumption, meeting diverse performance needs. Ideal for handheld terminals, industrial devices, and RFID printers in asset management and production tracking. The 4-port UHF module is designed to adapt to diverse usage scenarios. Its structural variety and multi-dimensional performance make it widely applicable in UHF readers, RFID gates, terminal systems, and inventory robots. These 8 and 16 UHF modules are equipped with high-performance Impinj chips and Silion's multi-tag anti-collision algorithm. Designed to meet the demands of smart retail, RFID cabinets, and RFID bookshelves, they are the preferred choice for applications requiring multiple attendants. All micro-sized modules utilize a stem hole design, ensuring a compact form factor, lightweight structure, and low power consumption. They are perfectly suited for portable RFID printers, wearable RFID readers, and small desktop RFID readers. Silion Tech provides high-performance RFID modules tailored for a wide range of applications, ensuring reliability, efficiency, and innovation in every solution.